How to view pages in Canva slide by slide. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up Canva application. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select your format. Now tap on three dots. Now click on view all pages. Now tap on the plus icon. Tap on the plus icon to add pages. Now to go back, tap on the cross icon. Now to switch pages, swipe right to select other page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.